Alright, what's up my YouTube friends? This is DoobieBoy21 coming at you again. Guess what? And guess what's going on? I removed the top end. Both cylinders are out. All I'm missing now is to take off these pistons. And this was actually my bad cylinder that had bad compression. 90 in clutch and 120 in my mag. So I'll go show you those cylinders right now. Alright, so here are my cylinders. This is the good one and this is the bad one. And I'll show you why. I don't know if you can see the little streaks in here. I think some snow got in here, or maybe some water, or I don't know what, Prestone or antifreeze. But anyways, it's not that bad. I'll soon put them in the mail and ship them out to a place that can actually service them. I send the pictures to the guy and he says that they are pretty serviceable, so 20 bucks to pass some diamond hone. And I'll get the other diamond honed also to get both cylinders in perfectly working condition. So alright, so here, this is my box ready to ship. I'm just waiting for my pistons to arrive in the mail, WISECOs, to send them with my cylinders to get the perfect measurement and to make sure that the rings can see properly in these cylinders. So this is just a little heads up to show you guys what's going on with that snowmobile. So pretty soon, well, I might be able to ride. And the guy is just waiting for me to help me on my rebuild, because the only thing that I can't seem to do is put down the damn C-clips. That's my only problem. Every time I try, I either break one or bend one and the C-clips are shot. So I guess it's to whoever whoever is own. Alright guys, and I also have something that's coming up that's going to be pretty cool. I'm sure you guys will be enjoying it. Found something on Craigslist, called a guy, and the guy is still selling it. And I might be over there pretty soon, and yes, another purchase. So stick around so you guys don't miss it, and you'll see it pretty soon. Alright guys, so my pistons are in. WISECO forged piston kit. Here are the two pistons, needle bearings, and the gaskets and whatnot. So now I'm going to put these two pistons, and I'm going to be sending him with the cylinders to that machine shop to get my cylinders owned and to make sure for the clearance that these fit perfectly well in my cylinders. So alright, so here I go. I'm going to bring them to my shipping carrier. So see you guys later.